Welcome. In front of me I have LENOVO Tab M10 and I'm going to show you how we can get this animated galaxy wallpaper on this device. So at the first we have to move for the Play Store, then tap on the search bar and type here Shadow Galaxy. This is this application that we have to download from the maxels.net. So if you got this application on your device, just open, then click open one more time, and right now just tap on the right upper corner to set as a wallpaper. And right now when you close it, you will get this animated galaxy wallpaper on your Lenovo tablet. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.